There's lots of goods and bads about being a financial advisor. The good news is when the accounts are going up and people are following their plans and they are doing what you advise them to do, most of the time things turn out pretty good, especially if you're planning for long term. Other times, if people don't follow what you agreed to do with them, which often happens, life happens is what I would say, and something comes up and they were going to save, but then they couldn't, or they couldn't save at their job, or however you set something up and then they didn't do it. Those can be very frustrating times. And so one of the things I think is extraordinarily important about if you want to be a financial advisor is you have to be very flexible with your clients. Every person's life changes as they go through their life. And so you can plan one thing, but life could hand you something else. So if you're going to get into the career, please remember there will be good days and bad days, and a lot of it will be based on the market, but a huge portion of it will be if your clients can take your advice. And for those who do, long term, the best part is they actually become wealthy and have the life that they deserve and want. And on the maybe not so good side, maybe they didn't save quite enough, and then they have to work a little longer.